Earthquakes are devastating natural disasters that can destroy entire communities. They occur due to the tectonic plates and the Earth's crust. The plates are constantly rubbing against each other. And when these bumps are violent enough, a seismic wave will happen, causing an earthquake. This can range to a slight tremor to a shake so big it will take out entire buildings. We've come up with our 6 most helpful tips how to survive an earthquake. Stay calm. The first thing to remember is to stay calm. It can be scary, but staying calm will help you think clearly and make the right decisions. Wrap, cover, and hold on. When you feel the shaking, remember to wrap, cover, and hold on. Drop down to the ground. Take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture like a table or desk. And hold on until the shaking stops. This will protect you from falling objects and help prevent injuries. Stay indoors. If you are indoors when an earthquake occurs, stay inside. Avoid running outside as there may be falling debris or other dangers. Stay away from windows and mirrors. Move away from windows, glass, and mirrors to avoid the risk of shattering and causing injuries. Stay away from doorways. Contrary to popular beliefs, doorways are not necessarily the safety place of be during an earthquake. Instead, find a sturdy piece of furniture to take cover under. Listen to adults. Follow the instruction of adults or teachers who are present. They will guide you on what to do and keep you safe. After the shaking stops. Once the shaking stops, be cautious and check yourself and others for injuries, and if it is safe to do so, exit the building and gather in an open area away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Know your emergency plan. Make sure you know your family's emergency plan and have a meeting spot. This will help ensure that everyone is accounted for and safe. Remember, it's important to practice earthquake drills at home and at school so that you are prepared and know exactly what to do. Being prepared and staying calm are key to staying safe during an earthquake.